Contact after-sales personnel to obtain the installation package. Copy the compressed package to the USB flash drive. Right-click and select Extract. Extract the files to the USB flash drive. Extraction completed. Insert the USB flash drive into the analyzer's USB port. Click Settings. Click Tools. Click Program Update. Click Update to start the program update. After completion, click Restart. Click Settings. Click Tools. Click Admin. Enter the analyzer password. Click About to view the new version number. Click OK. Click Exit Manager.